Alright guys, it's Wednesday, September the 3rd. We've been dealing with this dang hurricane, or the hurricane that's going nowhere, since Friday. Friday they're predicting dead eyeball hit right here on top of my house. Then, Saturday, still same thing. Sunday, they're like, okay, well, we think it's going to pause here, and then it's going to go north and kill y'all. There's actually, it's going around Facebook, one of the weather channel, weather people saying, you're all dead. If it goes here, you're all dead. And your kids are dead too. Can you believe that? So now, it's set over the Bahamas. Man, I don't know, 2.5 days in this, basically in the same 50-mile spot. So I get up this morning, weather's beautiful. We have a few little sprinkles come through. It's a nice breeze. It's not freaking so great. It's not as hot today. So I'm going to go to the store, the grocery store. I'm going to pick up something to make for the show. And y'all stay tuned. We got some big news coming up in that video. And we're going to cook a great dish. I may throw a few blurps of that, maybe a little bit of behind the scenes of us doing a actual episode of Backwoods Gourmet. May give you a little behind the scenes clip in this video. I think I will. The only damage we've sustained so far is our flag has come apart here, so we'll have to get that repaired. Looks like a little plastic thing up here is pretty much gone. Alright, so anyway, we'll fix the flag and we'll go to the store and show you if what we see along the way. Alright, so let's see what's going on here. Looks like somebody's out of gas. Yeah, that has been a problem getting gas. I don't know, we'll see if they've got any. I got 3/4 of the tank. I filled up before I left town, but just a little bit of running around. Actually went and shot some sporty clays on Saturday just to try to relax a minute. And anyway, I don't think we're going to need to. They're now talking about just skirting the coast and all the hurricane force winds staying out offshore. But I get chronicle it in this video. That forecast changes like every 4 hours. It's like they totally forget what they just told us 4 hours ago, and then how wrong they are. Oh, it's going to start moving north yesterday. Well, it made a wobble, like, oh, see, it moved, it's going north, just like we said, and then it stopped, and it's been sitting there all night. I just looked at the satellite loop from last night. It ain't moved more than 2 or 3 miles, maybe. So a day like this morning, I did see a little bit of northern track on the thing, but it's so slow. You have to really watch, like, I don't know, you have to watch a pretty good clip of the satellite to even see it move slightly to the northwest. Okay, I mean, ever so slightly. So still moving like at 1 mile an hour. At this damn rate, it'll be Halloween before the thing ever gets here. And seen a pretty funny meme on Facebook yesterday. So let's get all this downtime. I should be working today, but nobody's working. Okay, nobody's working in construction anyway. So anyway, the thing's moving like 1 mile an hour. It's 140 miles away, so if it's still moving 1 mile an hour, that's another 140 hours. What is that, another week we're going to be doing this same crap here? I don't know, but I know I feel really sorry for the people over there in the Bahamas. It was a beautiful place to go fishing. The place has got to be just leveled up. From some of the pics I've seen already coming out of there, it's bad. And it'd be bad anywhere if you had a Cat 5, Cat 4 hurricane sitting on you for 2 days, in the same spot, basically. I know you guys want to hear me rant and rave about it, but you know, I think this one has been really throwing the computers a bunch of curveballs, because it just won't move right now. It's just sitting down there. At least it's getting weaker. Oh, here we go. We got car in a ditch. All right, people. Jesus, I don't know where their heads are at. That's why I titled the first video in this thing, "The people are stressed out," and they are stressed out because namely because the media is just overhyping the thing since Thursday, Friday last week, and it just put everybody into a damn panic. Especially when you got guys on the Weather Channel going, "You're all dead, and your kids are dead too." It's a stupid. Weather Channel needs to fire the guy. If I can figure out how to get it off Facebook and get that clip saved to my computer, I will, and get it into this video, I will do that, because it was ridiculous. It was just ridiculous. All right.
Daytona Beach, all the way up to Jacksonville. This moves 20 miles to the west, and you and everyone you know are dead. All of you. Because you can't survive it. It's not possible unless you're very, very lucky. And your kids die too.
Let me get back to driving here, and we're almost to the store, and we're going, like I said, we're going to pick up a couple things. Since we're stuck at home today anyway, it's time to get a few chores done. I gotta fix the toilet. I gotta replace the fill valve on it. It's wasting water, and then I'm gonna pick up a few things to make this week's episode. I got most of them, but I just need to get it out of the house for a little while. I did. So that's what we're doing. So we'll go check out, see how bad Lowe's is. So there's the Wawa over there. They're open, they got gas. So all the people that panicked about fighting over daggum gas and going crazy. Yeah, you didn't need to do that. This time of year, should always have gas in your vehicle. When it gets down half tank filled up, you don't have to worry about fighting over gas when some kind of thing pops up like this. You can afford to get a full tank, but get a full tank. And then, you can't afford to get a full tank, well, get down a quarter tank. Get a quarter tank. I see people going to damn gas station get $3 worth of gas. I don't understand it. I know, everybody can't afford it, but Lord, you should at least have that full tank in reserve there. If you only got $2 for gas, use that to top off your tank, not to put enough in it to go 3 miles. Like the guy we seen on the side of the road right back there trying to get gas in his vehicle. Alright, back at you as soon as we get to Lowe's, right up here. Alright, well, I just seen people leaving here with plywood. And I don't know if they don't watch the TV or whether or not Telemundo's saying it's still coming here. I don't know. I know people from Puerto Rico are very, very wary of hurricanes. And there's a lot of Puerto Rican people here, so we're going to go in and it looks like the garden department's shut down. They got all the plants moved inside. Usually it's all plants out here. They got everything moved inside. They got these pallets out here because they're going to move those in front of the doors. If a hurricane comes, they move all those pallets of mulch and stuff like that. They'll move them up in front of the storefront there, which is a good idea. So all we need is a fill valve for the toilet. So let's go in and grab it. It's pretty funny. I just read the signs. They got signs up all over the front back there. No returns on plywood, tap cons, shop vacs, generators. Because you know what's going to happen. Look at all the generators right behind me. Caterpillars. Yeah, they're going to get stuck with all those now since, everybody got crazy way too early. Bought stuff over here. They got a big giant display of shop vacs right there. So might be a good time to buy a new generator after the storms go. away because I got all this inventory sitting in here now. They ordered truckfuls of them, and now they're going to be stuck with them. So we'll go. We'll keep an eye on them, see if they come down to a really good price. Ours is getting kind of old, and if you've seen our earlier video over on the community tab, we keep having to recharge the coils on ours. So let me go find what I need. Okay, yeah, these are not the cheap ones. These junkers are 800 bucks. So 6,500 watts. Seems like pretty good. It says 12-hour runtime. So we'll watch that price. If it gets down to something affordable. So big difference from Friday when I was at the Home Depot. I might go ahead and throw that video. Not a whole lot of you watch it over on the community tab, but wanted to let you know that community tab is going to become a lot more active. Now, if you don't know how to get to the community tab, just go to our channel page and click on community, and I post stuff over there on the community tab that you don't see on our regular channel because they're unlisted videos, and we've had to do that because YouTube actually seems to punish us for making short videos when I'm just trying to put out some info to you real quick, and you know, so something like, you know, what's going on today or whatever. So I posted on the community tab, and very shortly our memberships are going to start up, and that's where you're going to access your members only info, pictures, recipes, stuff like that. It's going to be on that community tab. So when you join our membership, then that's basically going to be your resource to get to us and get to your special member perks that we're going to have. So just a little prelude to that. We'll be talking more about that later. I'll actually be posting a video closer to time that goes live. We've already been approved by YouTube for it, so, and all I'm waiting is to punch the button. So I'm going to be posting another video on exactly how it works and what the perks are going to be. We've already got them locked in and approved with YouTube. So be another way you can have some of the inside scoop, what's going on here, just like this. This is kind of a prelude, really, to the content that you're going to see after you become a member. Some of the stuff we're doing running around. We're going to have some, you know, some video tours of different kinds of places that, you know, we use to buy ingredients, things like that. Definitely going to have one, you know, of our restaurant depot, and we're even working on right now a tour of Lodge Manufacturing up in Pittsburgh, Tennessee. So that'll be some exclusive content for all you folks over on who become members of the channel and join up. So, you know, we do that lodge tour. You'll be the first people to get to see it. You know, obviously we want everybody to see it, but you know, you guys will be the first. And we're going to have a lot, like I said, these little inside videos, how we shop, how we develop recipes, how we do our research, how we do a lot of our daily just seasoning the cast iron, setting up smokers, things that might be a little bit repetitive. And I'm forgetting I got to go to Publix, so I need a couple of ingredients here. All right, let me get off this camera right here, and we'll go in Publix, and we'll give you a little tour in there. And if you like this video, smash the like button down there. You know, like I said, I could make this video very short, but like I said, YouTube doesn't seem to, they kill us on that, because you know, they rank us by average watch time, and since we always make long videos, when we turn around and make a short one, it just messes our numbers up, and then YouTube doesn't promote the videos, and I don't know, it's just one of them things that they need to learn how to fix. Alright, let's go to our favorite grocery store. That's Publix. One bag of generic left. Oh, they got some little bags. There's the water aisle. We got plenty of the spring water down here. So getting stuff back in stock. If you ever visiting Florida, come down here for vacation or whatever, want to know where to go to get your groceries, snacks, whatever you need on your vacation, definitely find Publix. They're everywhere, and they are the absolute #1 in customer service. Their stores are immaculate. They have a huge variety of products. You're not standing in line for hours like Walmart trying to get out of there. And you know, all the people, most of the people working Walmart around here, if you don't speak Spanish, you're not gonna be able to communicate very well with them. Here at Publix, they always make sure the employees can speak both languages if possible, and some of them, if you know, they're plenty fluent in English. All the people in their stores are. So, but they do have people in there that can speak Spanish if you need help in Spanish. But just, you know, their motto has always been shopping is a pleasure, and I have fun every time I go in that store. Of course, I'm, you know, kind of a foodie, but you know, about 90% of everything we cook on the channel comes from Publix. All right, let's go back to the house, and gonna start filming next week's video, and that's gonna be coming up here. I'll give you a little behind the scenes and show you what we're gonna cook up, because everybody needs some comfort food right now. All right, so what you're seeing now is a little behind the scenes. I'm getting ready to cook the dish for next week's video, and taking my ingredients from the recipe, and I put them in these little small containers with lids on them so I can put those back in the fridge. I got chicken out of here already. I got everything I'm gonna need for the first part of this, the prep. Actually, there's 3 parts of this prep, and this is the stuff for the first 2. The only thing we don't have that's in the recipe that we're using today was ham hock, but I do have some ham, and that's the fatty portions of the ham I've saved for seasoning, so that's going to work out just great. So usually we do this outside, but right now there's a tropical storm on us, okay? So it's spitting rain off and on. Hopefully we'll be able to pull off this cook. We are going to do it on a propane burner. The weather's getting worse as the day goes on, and it's super duper hot outside, okay? So that's the reason why we're prepping in here today. If it was a nice day outside, I'd be absolutely doing this out there. But if you're going to do a Dutch oven dish like we're going to do today at camp, then all this prep, if you do this ahead of time, is going to save you a lot of work at camp. So hope you like that little glimpse, kind of back behind the scenes. Go ahead and get this video for you up, and so you can see what's going on. So Backwoods Gourmet